Hello guys, welcome back. Uh, we were here just complete our header in the first episode of this video series. In this episode, we are going to uh, design our front-end area of our uh, landing page. So please, so now we are going to see the landing page again here and try to do something with that. Okay. Here what we have here is a two-part left section, right section, and after that full with content, and after full content there is no left and right part. So we have to make these three part in the content section. Those three parts are mainly from start from here and top to the this black box. Okay, that will be our main first row, and this will be the second row, and that one will be the third row. uh, I think that's all we have got here. Okay. Now we have to work with the title of this page, and for that, before that, I think we may have declared this main content area. And okay, here we lift the header section just here. I want to add a comments there in header. To make this code more clean. Okay, now we have the content section. That's why at first I have to declare a div with warper, W-R-P-P-E, warper, who is going to warp all content things. Okay, the warper is not any bootstrap class or bootstrap css thing. It's just basically I create for help myself. Okay, now we have to create a container following with row. Okay, I got a container with a row inside. I need more two rows because I told you we need total three rows. Okay, so okay, we'll do that later, but before that, in first row, I want this title to be here. I add a s1 tag and put the title text here, and let's see what we got. Yeah, we get our title here, but maybe a little problem with the text indentation. So we have to do something with that. I just want to send the s1 tag outside the row, and I think it will solve this problem for me. Okay, it's work fine right now. I have to work a little bit with its css and style. Now I'm going to create the two part, the left sidebar and the right sidebar of this landing page, and for this we have to create two different div for that, one for left sidebar, one for right sidebar. Okay, and we are just doing some bootstrap responsive classes here. Then that our site will be look responsive in mobile device also. Nothing will be broke down there. That's the speciality of Bootstrap CSS framework. Okay, now I'm going to add a column with large 6. It's about a grid CSS. I think you will learn more about this from Bootstrap documentation. I'm just doing my step, and you just can follow me around here, or whatever you want. Call meet for laptop. No, it not will be the 6, it will be the 8. I want the left sidebar will be a little longer than right sidebar. Okay. Also I just need this column system for no, not like that. Okay, it will work fine. Now call small device something like tablet or something like that, and the small device XS, sorry, need to be 12. Okay, I need 2 divs. Okay, I got the 2 divs here. I need to change a little bit from this. It will be the 6. The 12 grid system of Bootstrap, they have 12 grid. We have to distribution these 2 div into the same same into 12 under a row. Okay, we got our right sidebar. And the left sidebar. I got a little mistake there. That will be the left sidebar. Sometimes it's happen, always. Don't worry about that. Oh, I don't want you to see this. Okay, here we are. Okay, here is our left sidebar, and here is our right sidebar. Okay, it's working fine right now. Now I have to add all content from left sidebar, and after that I'm going to design more, or design everything else. Okay, in here please have a look a little bit. There is a section with 2 borders. Okay, we have to declare a div with 2 with top and bottom borders, and inside that we need a row divided into 2 parts. Here it will be 1 part and another will be this one. Okay, so let's do this. How can we do that? Okay, make this comment and also this comment that I can track next time when whatever I'm doing this. I'm declare a row with another class content top. That's a custom class I am declaring because I am to design this later. Okay, call for and the other one is call 8. Okay, here what we have here, let's have a look. Posted by the author name and the date of the post. So I'm just copy the text from my source and I am going to paste them here, exactly here. Now I'm going to declare a p tag. Under this p tag I'm post everything, but I don't want everything to be show here, and it's something later. Okay, I need another p tag, and under that I just put the date stuff here. So and here I declare a span, make this more colorful or design. We just have to divide every part into a single element that we can trigger everything separately and design them customly to fulfill our design requirements or our client requirements. Okay, now let's see what we get here. Oh, that's look good. Right, that's look pretty much good. Oh, I just declare a class for both paragraph, post author or post info. Okay, and under post info I have to do nothing so very much special. Okay, we got the post info and the text. That's cool. And in the other side we're just going to put image of this. We're not going to use the real information here right now. I'm just going to use this image for that. Okay, then next I have to pull image tag with a class img. Okay, source img slash something dot jpg. I'll write this name later. I have to check this. Right now just need a class image fluid. Okay, that will be give me a responsive effect for this image and it will not break down our layout. Okay, now let's see where is the rest of things. Okay, check this image. Which one is social? Oops, I didn't get. Sorry, let me check it again. What it is? Oh my god, I think I don't have this image. I have to create a new one for that. Okay, no problem. I get this from this screenshot. I have to take another screenshot for that. Okay, I get this. social, social. So I have to do a little bit coding here. social.png. Okay, we got our image to code it, and now we're just going to view this. Okay, this image is work fine. I need a fluid to I want this image to straight right side. Okay, so let's do that. Add a class people right. That means float right is Bootstrap 4 class, and it's not work. Okay, no worry about that. We have Bootstrap documentation and we can get help always whenever we want. Okay, here is our documentation. MG maze. Okay, I think we got that. No, not really. img content type image, we got responsive image. Okay, I got this. Sorry about that. Here is the code. Oh, the code is float right. Sorry, I got a mistake. Not pull right. It will be the float right. Then it will work fine. Okay, I'll just replace these. Now have a check. Okay, it's look cool. Now what we have to do is add these image after that and those texts. Okay, that's the beginning of this second part. Now I am going to add the okay, where I finish the row here. W. I just want to make a comment everywhere in this code that I can track my code later when I want. Now I have to put a image here. What is the name of that image? Okay, this one. Cool. I have the image listed. This one. Okay, I got this. Just take this name and image. In source section I just have to put this .jpg. I have to spell correctly, otherwise my image will not be showed, so just follow me. You can do this. I am doing image fluid class and everything is set to go. Let's see what we got there. Yes, oola la la, we have load our image and okay, do rest of the things. Now the scientists are calling, that will be a header text also, and let me do this for you. Okay, now we have to add a h2 tag for that and get the content from content source and put them here. Just did it. Okay, after that we have a paragraph tag. Okay, and that another paragraph. Let's check a little bit the screenshot. Okay, I got this. Oh, there must be another heading, so I have to use h3 for that and h2 for that one. So replace this h2 with h3 because I have another heading that I have to put for h3 h2. Okay, now h2. Okay, here we have a link that going to be linked with every single with a single link. The whole page have a lot of link and that will be a single link, and I just want to add a anchor tag for that, and this anchor tag URL lib to be hash right now, and inside that I'm going to put the text area like the okay, let me show you, it will be more clear to you. That one, the name of the product will be link to be clicked, link for click, and I want this to be a single class that I can control the CSS for one place for all links. Okay, there here could be a lot of anchor tag and they're not going to be effect for that, and I'm going to add a class for that. CLS class a link. Okay, that will be the class for a link all of the for all the pages, and next time I'm also going to use the same stuff. Okay, now here we come the h2. I'm just going to do this speedily, and I'm not going to explain all of those things. You can realize what I'm doing here because I think you know a little bit about web developing or web designing with HTML, basic HTML knowledge, and you can do that yourself. Okay, now I'm going to copy this text here and replace with the name of the product here, and also here cool. Now I have to take another paragraph tag. Also doing the same. Okay, replace. Okay, two. Where is the another one? Okay, I got this to be replaced, and also this one. Here we have got a portion that is bold. Mainly I'm going to use the basic HTML to do things, and when I'm done with these basic things and I need some extraordinary there, I'm going to add some custom CSS or custom styling. Here we have some bold text, and I'm going to use the same bold trick as we get from our HTML5 or HTML, and that would be a B tag. Okay, now let's figure out where I have got these man and woman of all ages, and that we got okay, where it is. Oh, it is not here, it is the next paragraph. Okay, I'm going to get this next one. Okay, I paste here, and both man and woman of all ages, and it's going to use a bold tag. Okay, I add the bold tag here and replace all company name or product name with the anchor tag, that I can use my JavaScript to replace all the anchor link from backend, or that easily a marketer can handle with. So nothing to worry about. We are all set to go. Now check this. Ooh la la, we got these. It's pretty much basic, simple. It's not nearly look like the template or dummy, but we're going to do this later. Now we're just putting all the content, and after that we're going to style those things. So keep watching. Okay, now what we have a image here, and after some text, and then another image, and those same is pretty much same thing. I'm going to repeat myself, and you just watch. If you just want, you can skip this part, and please step ahead for view look the CSS part of this tutorial. Okay, now we need another paragraph tag, and let's include this part of text. I just want to see the main design conception, because I want to use more thing that I can inside the HTML. Inside HTML, I want to do those things inside HTML. I want a paragraph class to quote QUT quote. Okay, you're going to use a via tag and a bold tag to write the name of this person, ANDOND Donald, 47 years old, from that means California. Okay, after that I also need another p tag. Okay, no need to use another one. I'm just going to use to break down be a tag, and use a b tag to put this thing inside, and inside this paragraph I also need a list and unlist or okay, it's pretty much simple. How many? 1 2 3 5. I need 5 ul follow li. That's pretty much simple, I think. Okay, we need 5, so multiple to 5. I have to use a I tag because all those writings are italic. I can also use CSS for do this, but right now I feel more interest to work with this HTML stuff because most people do not understand the CSS stuff, and uh, they can do something with HTML, and I'm going to show some tricks or show some ideas that how people can use the HTML rather than using the CSS. And mm, just if they learn a little bit about CSS, they can do a complete website job themselves. So okay, we need to replace something. Good, we are ready to go now, and let's see what we have done. Okay, we got this, but we forget to add the image before this text. Okay, now I'm going to add this image here under this paragraph tag. I am z image. I just need to check this image before use. What its name is? Okay, BA44 JPG. Okay, I got this. I am z slash BA44.jpg. Okay, also want to use the same class image fluid. Okay, now our site is getting responsive from beginning, then we shouldn't have to think about the responsive utility stuff later, because I'm targeting the mobile responsive first. Okay, nothing going to break down right now. We almost get everything there. Right now we have to use another image. Sorry about that so very much. I have got some cold last night and I'm suffering from that, and with that I'm just going to prepare this tutorial or course for you. I hope you'll learn something from that. Okay, I got the second image name and I'm going to replace that. And for that okay, I'm just copy and paste that code with the image name only, then everything will be work fine. Okay, I'm just add the image and let's check into the browser. Yes, we got this. After that we have some pretty much same text like this, and I'm just copy paste this and replace all stuff there. So we're back, guys. Now what were we here? Just we need to add those texts. Okay, and just we are just discovered that those texts are pretty much same to this paragraph text. Okay, now I'm just adding them just under this image. Good. Now I'm just going to change the inside text. Just this will be work fine. Look, that look pretty much same. Okay, then needs some adjustment or padding stuff. We'll do that later. Now just accurate the text. Okay, and for this we need to copy paste some text from my document file and replace with this text. Also need to remove something from here, the last portion of the text. We don't need this anymore. Over the in part of this paragraph, I just have to create one. Now it's working fine. Okay, now we have to add future growth is 2. Those are ace 3, 2. I need another ace 2 here. Okay, let's do this. Don't afraid to do anything, because in HTML you can change everything, but a little bit more careful about that. You are not messing thing I mean, just try to complete all tags and do not mess up with tags inside, outside, you know. Just try to be clean here, then it will work fine. I also have to add another paragraph tag. There is my paragraph tag. Also want to replace this link down there. Okay, where is the next one? This one. Where is the next one? This one. The other text. This one. Okay, we have done here. Now the last paragraph. Also have to do the same thing. I'm just not trying to escape a single thing here of my workflow, because I want you to be observe how we developers work in works environment. Sometimes you can see some quick tutorials that's already pre-made. There is no problem, no solution at all. They're just doing something they practiced before and make it only for tutorial purpose. It's not like that. I'm just trying to put all the things as I do in my workshop, and I'm just presenting you that things, just it, nothing else. So I hope you understand, and that's why I'm just showing you every single step that I'm going to take to complete this. So if you want, you can also skip this part, because in this part I'm not going to show you any CSS stuff. I'm just talking about the HTML and HTML tags that we can organize, the maximum style we can get from HTML, and I'm just going to show that stuff here. So if you want to see this, you can also view this, otherwise you can escape this part. The CSS part will be the last part of this video, and you can get this by forwarding, or otherwise you can just observe everything whatever I'm doing here as a guide, or even do it yourself how you want to maintain. But when first time I'm just trying to coding something myself, there I face a lot of problems, and I have to solve them myself. I have no one to follow. After that, that on the time YouTube was not so very much strong like that. Then we can learn from there, and also we have some language problem on the time. I was not so very easy with English language. That's why. And after that, I'm just trying to improve myself, and I got something from myself. Okay, now this part is done with. Now we have to add a last image for this part, and that will be this image, and rest of the thing we already loaded here. Okay, I have to copy one image from previously. I wrote those and now I'm just copy paste for make this work a bit easier, and here I have to find this image also, and that would be this image. Okay, I got this. Okay, good. Okay, it's look good. Okay, I missed a line of text. I have to put there right now, and that will be a h2 tag, h2, and put that text. Okay, we are done with the left sidebar. Now we have to good think about the right sidebar, and then we are going to code this, and after that we'll be complete our footer section. Okay, now we start the right sidebar. It's also pretty much simple, and we're going to put those code here, the right side of this. Okay, I want to put a h tag here. H4 would be fine. Cool. Okay, I also already use h1, 2, and 3, and that's why I use h4 here. And there is some text. Good. Those are p tag, italic, and gum. We also have a read more button there, and I'm going to add inside the I tag also. I'm going to add an anchor tag with no link and read more button. I think it's worked. And other one pretty much same. If we want to, we can do this with list order and list order. I just did it with paragraph tag. It's a choice of work how we can solve this problem. It's everything is a problem, and we can solve them ourselves. Okay, we got our right sidebar with 2 blocks. Good. We missed something. Yes, I think so. We missed 2 images there, and how we can put them there, that's a real question and a real challenge also. So let's try something. Image source will be img, and let me see the name of the image. Okay, Leo 1-1. Good. And other one, I'll take later other one. Okay, rename this .jpg. Other one is msg1 mag1, something like that. Mag1. Good. Let's see what it takes. Okay, it's not looking so cool like as I think of. Okay, we have to do a little bit work with it. Don't worry about that, we can handle this. And the second image name, I think I didn't get that very well. Oh, it's pretty much same. The -1 I missed. Now we can load this here too. Okay, we got our first sidebar top. Okay, fine. Now we have a trading, good, and some image and features. Okay, let's put those things, and then we are going to start the css thing, and styling thing. So I am going to repeat this code again. Okay, and make the change. What we need, trading, good, and after trading we have a image and a text. Here is the text, and I'm going to img image source slash. Okay, let me see the image first again, and okay, copy the name. It make my job more easier because I didn't misspell the name, and I get the accurate result whatever I want there. Okay, cool. But the image is not JPG, then not PNG. That must be the PNG image. No, what the hell I'm doing? Okay, .jpg. Okay. Shit, I did the right thing. That not source img, that will be an image. I told you before, I did that. Always I did that. Okay, that must be under, you know, italic font. Okay, not this. Okay. Okay, cool. Also need bolt. You know about anything bolt? It's b tag, baby. Just put the b tag and you got bolt here. Good. What we have inside trading, also another image and text, the same thing for 3 times. I'm going to copy the same code for another 2 times. That 1 2. Okay, so I have to just change the text, nothing else is left for me. Rest of the thing my PC did this for me. Copy paste option. Okay, and this one, good. Now I have to also have to replace the image, so don't worry anything about that. This one, maybe the second one, and this one, maybe the third one. Okay, I think I have been load the image successfully, and also text. We have to work a little bit later with it, and what we left now, just last one. Okay, we are just doing this right now. Cool. Just copy this part. I think the first one will be fine, because this paragraph tag had what we want. Good. Okay, not you again, not you. Okay, before the read more button, I need a star. Okay, star. Okay, before every read more button, I think I need a break, line breaker. Okay, don't and I need some star here. Okay, star. I'm just putting some basic star that I'm going to replace with my font awesome. Let's see what the font awesome give me. Font awesome icons. I need to took the star. 5 star. Yeah, there is the 5 star. I need the 5 star, nothing else, just the star. Copy this chunk of code and replace with okay. Here I got my star. Now replace this image is the last task. Here we left our everything, pretty much everything we have done there. Also need some text to be updated. These two things will left. Now first check the image title. Only the mention RZP PNG. Okay, got this RZP PNG, and also this text to be updated. RZP dot PNG. Okay, done. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll be close this video right now because it's too much long video, and I'm just give this a part, and in next section, in third part, I'm going to style this code. So stay with me. You'll be learn how to style rest of the things look like pretty much this. You can do it on yourself, but you have to follow this tutorial. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Tada. See you in the next video. Tada. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon. Visit the subscribe channel, and thank you again for watching this video.